Hi Year 10, here's your help video for homework sheet number 3. Again, don't forget to put your name at the top of the sheet so I can give you your marks. Question 1, you just need to use your calculator to answer these questions. Be careful when you're doing things like this question. On your calculator, you will not be using your take away or your subtract button for that first 6. You'll need to find a button that either looks like this, or on some calculators it'll look like this. So you'll type this button, sorry, that doesn't have a 1 in it. You'll type the negative button 6 and then take away 4, take away 5 equals, and the answer you should get here is negative 15. So if your calculator does not give you the answer of negative 15, keep trying until you get the correct answer. You should be expecting in a question like this, where you've got a negative number divided by a negative number, you should be expecting a positive number. And similarly, in a question like this, if you've got a positive number divided by a negative number, you should be expecting your answer to be negative. Question 2 asks us to collect like terms. So you're looking for terms. So for example, this first one has 3 terms. You're looking for terms that have the same letter. Now in the first question, each of these terms has just x as their letter, so we can add 2x plus 3x plus 4x is going to give us 9x. The next question has like terms of y, so we can just do 7y minus 5y. The third question, we have 4t minus 7t, so we can definitely do this, it's the same letter, but we have to be careful because 4 take away 7 is actually minus 3t. In question, the fourth part here, all of these letters are still the same. Your answer should be something x squared. Okay, the letters stay exactly the same. However, in the next question, we haven't got all the same letter. So we have to think about these things as being, trying to get at my pen here, we have to think of these things as being different. So I'm just going to deal with anything that's got a y. So here's a 7y and here's a minus 5y, and we have to be careful to capture that minus sign. So 7y minus 5y is 2y, and then we go and have a look at the other terms. I've got a plus 6t plus a 9t, and that gives me 15t, so plus 15t. So unless they have exactly the same letter, the terms cannot be added or subtracted. Don't get caught out in this question here. Okay, we've got our 6m minus 3m. There are like terms. And then we've just got 6 plus 12. So there should be 2 parts to your answer. There should be 3m plus 18. And a similar thing happens in this question here. Can you see the like terms in the last one? It's just this one and this one. Okay, so there'll be 2 parts to this answer here. I'll have a plus in between them. Multiplying terms. Don't forget to pause the video and finish the questions before moving on. Multiplying terms, we are simply multiplying the numbers and multiplying the letters. So I'm just going to do this one here. Negative 7 times negative 6, I can do that on my calculator in my head, 42y. Now expanding brackets was in the other video, so I'm just going to remind you how to fill out the box. And I might do it for the very last question. So the question is 2 outside of 3y plus 6. So I put the 2 here, the 3y here, and the plus 6 here. Put a multiplication sign in the corner because there's really a little multiplying sign there. 2 times 3y is 6y. 2 times 6 is plus 12. So our answer is 6y plus 12. And hopefully that will help you do the rest of that question. Finally, on the back page, you'll know if you've got this right because your joke will make sense. I think it's easy to go through and do some answers. So 6a plus a is 7a. Down here, this is a harder one. 6a times a half is going to be 4a. This one here we have to be careful with because we've got to square our 2 as well. So it's going to be 4a squared. And where's another tricky one? Here's another one where we have to look at our like terms. So we've got 6ab minus 2ba. Now AB is the same as BA. So we're going to equal 4AB. And then we've got these other like terms. We've got plus B, so plus 2B. So go through and answer as many of those as you can. And then fill in the letters down below. So for example, this first answer was 7a. So wherever I see a 7a down below, I can put the letter A, so I know that A goes in here because there's the 7a. Good luck with your homework assignment.